Hi, I'm Mike Fine, and in this video I'm going to go through the E and the A family of chords. So I'm going to start by grabbing my E major chord, which is going to be 3rd string, 1st fret with my index, and then 2nd fret on the 4th and 5th strings with my middle and ring fingers. Right, and I strum all those strings. Okay. Now that's E major. If I remove my index finger, I now have E minor, so I can go E major, E minor, E major, E minor. Okay, and if I start back on E major again, index, middle, ring, and this time lift my ring finger, which was on my 4th string, that's E7. There's another way to play E7. You actually can play like E major and add your pinky here, which is a nice E7 as well. But you can get that E7 simply by lifting that finger. Right? So E major, E7, E major, E7. So E major, lift the index, E minor, E major, lift your ring finger, E7. So E major, E minor, E major, E7. Okay? Now let's go to my A chord. So I'm going to grab my A major chord, which is basically these three on the 2nd fret. So strings 2, 3, and 4. And the fingering suggested is to use index finger on the 3rd string, and then middle on the 4th, ring finger on the 2nd string. And remember, I'm strumming from my 5th string on down for this. That's A major, right? Now to get to A7, I just lift my index finger. You may remember in the D family of chords, we played A7 like this, but it doesn't really matter which fingers you're using. It matters which strings and which frets. Right? So if you were coming from D major, it makes sense to go to A7 that way. But if you're on A major, simply lift your index finger, and now you have A7. And back to A major. So A major, A7. A major, A7. Okay? Now back to A major. To go to A minor, you're going to have to shuffle your fingers a little bit. Your middle finger is going to stay put. Okay? My ring finger is going to come up there, right? And my index finger is going to go down to the 2nd string 1st fret. So it's 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret with your ring finger, and 4th string 2nd fret with your middle finger. The middle finger doesn't move. That's A minor. So A minor. Now I have to move my ring finger down and my index finger in and to the 3rd string. A major, A minor, A major, A minor. So then A major, lift the index for A7, back to A major, ring finger moves, index finger goes down, A minor, A major, A7, A major, A minor. One nice thing about A minor, you may notice, is that A minor looks really similar to E major, right? So here's E major, here's A minor, E major, A minor. So one way to remember A minor is it looks just like E major, but you go vertically down or up a string to there. All right? So practicing those families of chords is really helpful, so you get used to E major, E minor, E7, A major, A minor, and A7 to get used to those three chords. You'll see them all the time.